Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Tide. It's possible, you're probably using the wrong tools in your kitchen, and it's costing you hours of your life every single week. Today, I'm cutting through the clutter and showing you the 5 must-have gadgets that are actual little wizards. From the tool that makes chopping an onion completely tear-free, to the one that delivers restaurant-quality crispiness in minutes. I promise, after seeing these, your old tools and dull knife are going to start feeling a little useless. Stick around. Number 1 is this sizzly sink candy. Trust me, this little piece of organizer is a game changer. This isn't just a basket. It's a sleek, multifunctional system designed to keep your sink tools organized, dry, and right where you need them. All the water that drips off your sponges and brushes collects in the base tray. But instead of sitting there, you just rotate this little spout, and bam! The water drains directly back into your sink. No pooling, no messy puddle. This caddy is fully customizable to fit your stuff. The tray features adjustable dividers. You can slide them to make the perfect size compartment for your sponge, your steel wool, or whatever else you use. If you're tired of slimy sponges and watermarks on your counter, this is the solution. I'll drop a link to where you can find this exact sink caddy in the description box below. Number 2 is the Aster Cook 23-piece kitchen knife set. This all-black design is seriously sleek and modern. It's a complete set. To top it all off, it includes both kitchen shears and heavy-duty poultry shears. All stored in this gorgeous knife block. This knife set contains all the knives, which you need in your kitchen. These knives feel so good in your hand. These blades are made from high-carbon stainless steel, meaning they're built to be thick, durable, and last a long time. It comes with anti-rust coating. This prevents oxidation, protects the steel, and is a huge benefit for keeping them looking new. The block itself has a built-in sharpener right on top, allowing you to easily maintain that razor edge anytime. What do you think of this all-black look? Let me know in the comments below. I've put a link to this set in the description box below if you want to check it out. Number 3 is this fridge deodorizer. Ever open your fridge and get hit with that mystery smell? Meet the X-Lavon deodorizer. This is an entirely different approach using CUNY Pure AirTech, and it's a game changer for keeping your fridge fresh. It comes with CUNY Pure patented formula. It doesn't just mask odors, it actually decomposes them at the source. Safe, environmentally friendly, and requires zero power. Seriously, just place it where you need it, and it goes to work. It works wherever you need powerful, safe deodorization without batteries or plugs. This deodorizer offers a stable and consistent effect for up to 10 years. That is incredible value and a massive step towards zero waste. This deodorizer is a lasting solution you've been looking for. It's smart, sustainable, and actually eliminates odor. Link in description. Number 4 is the Fullstar 4-in-1 vegetable chopper and slicer, and it's about to change how you cook. With the Fullstar, you're looking at uniform, perfectly diced veggies in 30 seconds or less. You're not just chopping faster, you're chopping smarter. You get 4 different attachments for all your prep needs. For perfect salsas or small toppings. The spiral blade makes light work of zucchini and cucumber noodles for quick, low-carb meals. Plus, it's also dishwasher safe. It comes with massive 1.2-liter family-size collection tray. That's up to 5 cups of chopped veggies. The Fullstar 4-in-1 is a total game changer. I've dropped a link in the description below where you can check it out. Number 5 is the Black Keurig coffee maker that might just be the perfect blend of size and performance. It's designed to fit seamlessly into smaller kitchens, dorm rooms, or offices, all while giving you customization option. Your perfect cup size. You've got 3 brew sizes to choose: small, medium or large. Whatever your mood, this Keurig has you covered. The drip tray easily removes, allowing you to fit a 7.4-inch tall travel mug. That's essential for busy mornings. This one has a great capacity for its size, 42 ounces. That means fewer refills and more time enjoying your coffee. The reservoir is also removable, making it super easy to take to the sink and fill up. Plus it's easy to clean. This machine is designed to be slim. That's incredibly space-saving. This brewer is compatible with the Keurig 3-month brewer care kit, which includes descaling solution and water filters. Maintenance is key. So, if you're looking for a compact, fast, and feature-rich single-serve coffee maker, this Keurig is a fantastic option. Link in description. Number 6 is this oil spray dispenser. Meet the oil dispenser that does everything. The fine mist with a quick press. This is perfect for evenly coating salads, marinating meats, or using with your air fryer. Need a little more? A slow press gives you a controlled stream. Great for sautéing vegetables, pancakes, or just adding a measured amount right into the pan. You control your oil, your way. Plus, it's designed to last. It has clear volume markings, fits great on your countertop, and is so easy to refill. Ready to upgrade your kitchen game? Tap the link below to grab your multi-function oil dispenser now. Number 7 is the Immersion Handheld Blender. This isn't one of those wimpy blenders. It's built with an 1100-watt powerful motor. That's enough power to handle almost anything you throw at it, from frozen fruit for a smoothie. Instead of fumbling with buttons, the speed is directly controlled by how hard you squeeze the trigger. This gives you total, seamless control over the texture. It features easy click attachments, meaning they snap securely into place with zero fuss. The base features a scratch-resistant design. No more worrying about gouging your expensive stainless steel pots. Plus you got a mini food processor. This is brilliant for chopping onions, meat and chopping pesto. It's easy to detach and clean. This handheld blender is truly an upgrade for any kitchen. I've linked the handheld blender down in the description below so you can check out the current price in detail. Number 8 is the electric salt and pepper grinder. This is the easiest way to season your food. It comes with easy single-handed operation. It's one touch. Literally, just press the button and you're grinding. Perfect for when you're flipping burgers. It has a built-in LED light at the bottom. It helps you see exactly how much salt or pepper you're adding. This grinder offers 5 precision grind settings. It's a simple dial at the bottom, easy to switch. This is a huge win for versatility. It features a larger, 100 megaliters container. The clear chamber is 360-degree transparent, so you always know exactly how much you have left. It has wide applicability. You can use it for pink Himalayan salt, white peppercorns, dried herbs, or even more. It runs on batteries. Honestly, for the convenience, the precision control, and the sleek look, this electric grinder is a huge upgrade for any kitchen. Link in description. Number 9 is the 9stars Motion Sensor Trash Can. This is a beautiful bin. It's made from stainless steel, which gives it a modern, high-end look that fits any kitchen. Even better, it's anti-fingerprint. But the real star is the smart lid. Just wave your hand over the sensor, and the lid glides open. And when it closes, it's not a loud clang, thanks to the soft close mechanism. This is a big, family-friendly bin. It's a 13-gallon capacity model. It runs on just 2D batteries. Plus, the base has a non-skid base, keeping it firmly in place even on slick kitchen floors. If you're looking to get rid of that old foot pedal or messy lid, this smart bin is a highly recommended solution. I'll leave a link to where you can find this exact model in the description below. Number 10 is the Homemader Electric Knife. This is modern, powerful, and designed for effortless slicing. The secret is the dual serrated blades that move in opposite directions. It's like having 2 professional knives working together. You get an ergonomic Homemader knife body, 2 different dishwasher-safe blades, one for meat and one for bread, and a bonus serving fork. It has a dual safety lock, which is a must-have feature for anyone using an electric knife. Safety first. The body is ergonomically designed, so it feels great in your hand and won't slip, even if things get a little messy. The Homemader electric knife isn't just about slicing, it's about making your life easier and enjoying more time with your family. If you want perfect, effortless cuts every time, this is for you. Find the link in the description below. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more kitchen gadget deep dives. Thanks for watching.